In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and sign in to another workspace. If you use multiple teams or projects, keeping them organized in separate workspaces can make your day a lot smoother. I'll walk you through the exact path to add another workspace and sign in, and I'll include helpful tips so nothing trips you up along the way. Start by looking at the sidebar in your app or browser window. This is usually the vertical panel on the left where you see your current workspace and its content. Find the icon or badge for your current workspace at the very top of that sidebar. It might be a logo or an initial inside a small circle or square. Go ahead and click that icon. This opens a menu of options related to your account and workspace. From that menu, choose Add a Workspace. This option is specifically for bringing an existing workspace into your app, so you can access it alongside the one you're already using. It's different from creating a brand new workspace, so make sure you select Add a Workspace rather than anything that sounds like starting from scratch. Next, you'll see a choice to sign in to another workspace. Pick that option. This tells the app that you already belong to a workspace and simply want to connect it to your current setup. It's a quick way to keep your workspaces together without mixing their content. Now follow the prompts to sign in using either your email address or the workspace URL. If you use your email, enter the address you've associated with that workspace. If the application sends you a verification code or a sign-in link, open your email and complete that step to confirm your identity. If you prefer the workspace URL, type it carefully. It's usually a unique address created when the workspace was set up. Double-check spelling and punctuation. A small typo can prevent you from getting in. As you complete the prompts, keep an eye on any on-screen instructions. You may be asked to confirm your account in a browser tab or to choose the correct organization if your email is linked to more than one. When everything is confirmed, the new workspace will appear in your sidebar alongside your current one. You can switch between workspaces by clicking their icons, letting you keep different teams or projects separate and easy to access. That's it. By clicking your current workspace icon, selecting Add a Workspace, choosing to sign in to another workspace, and following the prompts with your email or workspace URL, you're all set to manage multiple workspaces effortlessly.